Transportation Secretary Arthur Tugade invited Japan's ambassador to the Philippines to see and experience for himself improvements in the MRT-3 that Japan helped fund.
It was a who's who of the DOTR and the Japanese Embassy in Manila who took a ride on the MRT-3 recently. The DOTR delegation was led by Transportation Secretary Arthur Tugade, while the Japanese delegation was led by Ambassador Kazuhiko Koshikawa. Other dignitaries that boarded an MRT-3 train at the North Station were First Secretary, Transport Economic Affairs of the Embassy of Japan, Sadaharu Hori, Japan International Cooperation Agency or JICA, Senior Representative Kiyo Kawabuchi, and officials of the MRT-3 maintenance contractor Sumitomo MHI, TESP. The main objective of the train ride was to showcase to the Japanese ambassador and JICA officials the improvements to the stations and train operations following rehabilitation works undertaken by Sumitomo Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, funded and technically supported by Japan. The entourage also inspected the MRT-3 depot as well as the rolling stock sections where the overhauling of trains take place. During the inspection, Secretary Tugade praised the works being conducted by Sumitomo Mitsubishi Heavy Industries that has led to a more efficient, safe, and reliable MRT-3 operations. Following the inspection of the MRT-3 facilities, the group also headed to the Light Rail Transit Line 2 East Extension Station in Marikina for a briefing on the status of the project and a walkthrough of the concourse. The DOTR is pushing for the completion of the LRT-2 Marikina and Antipolo stations April of this year. Once operational, the LRT-2 East Extension can accommodate an additional 80,000 passengers daily, boosting the LRT-2's current daily ridership of 240,000 passengers.
The DOTR, under Secretary Tugade, deserves commendation for its steadfast efforts to fast-track the improvement of light rail transit systems in the country, as well as promoting the establishment of more railways, including a subway in Metro Manila.